In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download shared files on Google Drive. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly, ensuring that you can access the files you need with ease. So, let's dive in, step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Any will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once the browser is open, type Google Drive into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results pop up. What you're looking for is the link that either says Google Drive or has the URL, drive google.com drive quota. Click on that link to head over to Google Drive. Now, if you have your Google account already logged in, the platform should automatically recognize it, and you'll be taken directly to your drive. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so by entering your email address and password. This will open up the main interface of Google Drive, and you'll see any files and folders shared with you or created by you. Next, you need to locate the shared file that you want to download. This can be done by navigating to the Shared with Me section on the left-hand sidebar. All files that have been shared with your account will be listed there. Simply find and click on the file that you are interested in downloading. Once you've selected the file, you'll have a couple of options to initiate the download. The first method involves right-clicking the file itself. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the Download option. Your download should begin shortly after your selection. Alternatively, if you prefer using buttons, look for the 3 vertical dots next to the file name, often referred to as More Actions. Clicking these dots will show another menu where you can also choose the Download option. No matter your choice of action, the result will be the file downloading onto your device. A great benefit of Google Drive is that it allows file downloads whether you have commenter, viewer, or editor access. This flexibility ensures that you can always retrieve the files you need regardless of your permission status. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to download any file shared with you on Google Drive swiftly and with no hassle. Remember, the interface is designed to be user-friendly, so take your time exploring any additional features that may enhance your workflow. Thanks for joining me today to learn about Google Drive file downloads. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.